Welcome to my channel, Improve Your GK. Like, share, and subscribe. 1. Which is the smallest coin in the world? A. American dollar. B. Dime. C. Java. D. Croatian mint.
The correct answer is D. Croatian mint.
2. Which country has the biggest soldier in the world? A. India. B. China. C. America. D. Russia. The correct answer is B. China. 3. Which place is known as the land of golden pagodas? A. Burma, Myanmar. B. Kathmandu. Nepal. C. Mumbai. India. D. Islamabad, Pakistan. The correct answer is A. Burma, Myanmar. 4. Which country is called White Elephant? A. Sri Lanka. B. Poland. C. Thailand. D. Laos. The correct answer is C. Thailand. 5. Which country is called the Zoo of Languages? A. Nepal. B. India. C. South Africa. D. China. The correct answer is B. India. 6. Which country is known as the country of thousands of elephants? A. Sri Lanka. B. Thailand. C. Poland. D. Laos. The correct answer is D. Laos. 7. Which country is known as the former Great Britain? A. Norway. B. Japan. C. Maldives. D. Jordan. The correct answer is B. Japan. 8. Which country is known as Land of Golden Fiber? A. Thailand. B. Pakistan. C. Bhutan. D. Laos. The correct answer is B. Pakistan. 9. How many feet is the height of the highest peak Everest? A. 29028 feet. B. 29030. 69 feet. C. 29029 feet. D. 29,031.69 feet. The correct answer is D. 29,031.69 feet. 10. What is the east-west length of the Asian continent? A. 900 kilometer. B. 9600 kilometer. C. 9300 kilometer. D. 9900 kilometer. The correct answer is B. 9600 kilometer. 11. Which country is known as the land of sunrise? A. South Korea. B. East Timor. C. Norway. D. Japan. The correct answer is D. Japan. 12. Which country does not have any movie hall? A. Iran. B. Saudi Arabia. C. Malaysia. D. Syria. The correct answer is B. Saudi Arabia. 13. Which city is known as City of Seven Islands and Gateway of India? A. New Delhi. B. Agra. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. The correct answer is C. Mumbai. 14. Which place is called the Land of Five Rivers? A. Punjab. India. B. Panjnad. Pakistan. C. Triveni. Nepal. D. None of above. The correct answer is A, Punjab, India. 15. Which country has the largest Buddhist temple in the world? A, Nepal, B, Malaysia, C, India, D, Thailand. The correct answer is B, Malaysia.